Now that is just for our interior angles. Let's go back and let's look at our exterior angles. Polygon exterior angles theorem tells us the sum of the measures of the exterior angles of a convex polygon. Once again, very important for us to understand. It has to be convex. One angle at each vertex is 360 degrees. Well, an exterior angle, one at each vertex, when we can extend a side to form a line, the exterior angle and the interior angle both form a line. So that means that they are supplementary. Well, let's look at their values. Well, if these two angles are supplementary, their sum or their measures, or we know that rather than, the exterior angle would have to be 85 degrees, 85, 95, 180. If we look at the next one, this is 57, 110, and 70 are supplementary. 102 and 78, 110 and 70 again. So if we add all of these up, 85 plus 57 plus 70 plus 78 plus 70, and we take a total of those, notice that our sum is 360 degrees. We have shown or proved this theorem. Let's look at it in retrospect. Let's apply it using two different examples. Here we have a quadrilateral and a pentagon. Let's look at the exterior angles. One at each angle. Now, the sum of all of these doesn't matter what type of shape it is. It said any convex polygon. So if we take these four angles, 92 plus 116 plus 89 plus 3x and equal to 360, we can now solve for x. Solving the equation, combining our like terms, we get 297 plus 3x equals 360 degrees. If we move over our 297, we have 3x is equal to 63. Thus, x equals 21. Now, sometimes they may say solve for x and or solve for the missing angle measure. Well, if x is 21, we now know that this angle is 63 degrees by plugging 21 back in. Let's look at this other example. We have 2x plus 70 plus 3x plus 75 plus 65, and their sum is supposed to equal 360 degrees, like our theorem tells us. Combining like terms, 70, 75, and 65 gives us 210. 2x, 3x, it's 5x, equals 360 degrees. Moving over. So if we subtract 210 from both sides, we end up with 150. So 5x equals 150. X equals 30. So once again, if we need to just solve for x or plug it in, we can plug into both. 3 times 30 is 90, so this would be a right angle. And 2 times x would be 60. So, we have talked about polygons, how to classify them a little bit more in depth by equilateral, equiangular, or more specifically as regular, and how to find the measures of the interior and exterior angles of convex polygons. Important for us to understand convex. If this works out, see you in class.